Craving some keto goodness? Well, you're in for a treat today. Let's whip up some delicious muffins with fantastic toppings that will make your taste buds dance. For this recipe, you'll need a few simple ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry. 1½ cups almond flour, 1/2 cup coconut flour, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon salt to balance the flavors and 4 large eggs to give our muffins structure and richness. You'll also need 1/2 cup of melted butter or coconut oil for that perfect moist texture. Add 1/4 cup erythritol or any keto-friendly sweetener of your choice, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract for a hint of sweetness. First, whisk together the almond flour, coconut flour, baking powder, and salt in a large mixing bowl. In another bowl, beat the eggs until they are light and frothy. Then stir in the melted butter or coconut oil, sweetener, and vanilla extract. Gently mix the wet and dry ingredients until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, to get it nice and hot for baking. Grease a 12-cup muffin tin or line it with paper liners to prevent sticking. Scoop the batter into the muffin cups, filling each about 3/4 full to allow room for rising. Bake for 18-20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Now, let's add some fun and flavorful toppings to make these muffins extra special. For savory options, try shredded cheddar and bacon, diced jalapenos and chicken, or sun-dried tomatoes and basil. For sweet options, consider cinnamon and erythritol, blueberries and lemon zest, or chopped pecans and sugar-free maple syrup for a delightful crunch. Top your muffins with your chosen ingredients and bake for another 5 minutes to meld the flavors. And there you have it, freshly baked, delicious keto muffins ready to be enjoyed. These muffins are perfect for any occasion. Enjoy and happy baking. Don't forget to share with friends and family.